Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with Kingsley Collins Keida. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to Canva. Canva is a graphic design app that you can actually design for your online brand, for your business, and also you can also use Canva to design and to create templates for your clients and to get paid for it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your own template and also sell this template for money, both from your home and online. So if you're interested and you want to know how to do this, keep watching as we dive into the video. When you log into Canva, this is the first page you're going to see. You have flyers, template, poster, logo, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be clicking on Instagram posts, and it is going to bring you to this page. As you can see, they already have their own design here. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be replacing the images in this flyer with our own images. So first of all, I'll go by deleting their own text and adding my own text message. Then I go ahead to change the name of the lady there and replace it with mine. I'm going to change the email and the WhatsApp and Instagram name also to mine. It's nothing difficult to do. It's something you can do in less than 10 minutes. You don't really need to learn graphic design to be able to do that. It's very simple. All you just have to do is to replace their own things with yours and you're good to go. So next, I'm going to be adding my Facebook name. Then I'll go ahead to change the picture to mine. You can actually make use of their own canvas photo, or you can make use of your own photo from your phone gallery. You can also import videos to the flyer. Whatever you want to do, it's very easy. Just play around with it and you're good to go. So I'll go ahead and select the image of my choice and continue with my editing. Okay, so as you can see, there's nothing really much there to do, and you can see how beautiful the flyer is. And if anyone sees this outside, they're going to, it's really professional and it's simple and beautiful. You can use it for your Instagram posts, your advertisement on Facebook, etc. You can just go ahead and crop the picture and do one little thing or the other. There are different elements there that you can just play with, so it's very easy. To export the picture, you click on the export button and it's going to export to your phone gallery. Another beautiful thing about Canva is that it gives you the opportunity to animate your work, your flyer, etc. If you want to, or you feel like animating your flyer, you can just go ahead and do that. Also, the instruction is there. You just search for animate. You search for animate and it's go. You can also duplicate your flyer and lots more. There are different options of animation that you can make use of on your design. Then you can go ahead and export it to your phone gallery.
You can also use Canva to design logo for online businesses, for small business, etc. All you just have to do is to click on the logo template, and different options of logo will pop out, and you just have to select the one you prefer, like the design you like, and go ahead and edit it to your text. So what I actually did here is to remove is to shift the text, and I went ahead to like import an image from my phone gallery to design the logo. You can also make use of their own photos, their own elements. You can just search for, maybe you want to design a sports logo. You can go ahead and search for an image that's related to sports, and change it, and design your logo. Or you want to design a logo that's related to fashion, you search for an image that is also related to fashion, and you repeat the same process. So that is what I actually did here. There's nothing difficult about it. Just like the way I did the Instagram post, just the same step here.
After designing your templates and getting the templates, there are actually different places, or there are different ways that you can actually sell this template. You can actually go to places like Fiverr, GoWork, um, Upwork, etc., and sell this template for foreign clients and both local clients for dollars and euros. And you can also sell these templates for people around you, for your friends and family members who are into business, and to those also who are social media influencers, or those that own social media page. You can actually design for their social media page and actually get paid for it. So that is one. Those are the ways that you can actually sell this template. If you want to know how to charge for your work, I'll be leaving a video link somewhere in this video or in the description section of this video. Go check it out, because in that video I actually made mention of how you can actually charge for your graphic design as a smartphone graphic designer, or whether you're using your laptop to design. So go check it out, and also make sure you leave a comment down below this video. Let me know your thoughts. If this video was helpful to you, if you feel it's quite informative and impactful to you, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the bell notification button, so that you're not going to miss out on my subsequent videos.